Welcome to PA Timber Gifts. Today is March 18th. Today we're headed for Bake Oven Knob. I had a very white knuckle ride coming up over the side of the mountain. The Game Lands road is very slick today. Hopefully it'll dry out on the way back down later and it won't be as slick. Lots of rocks here. I can hear a lot of geese flying overhead. A flock of tundra swans just went by. It's very peaceful up here. Quite the rock pile here. I'm not sure how many rocks I got to scramble over today, but we're heading up. Hopefully the clouds will burn off and I'll have a better view as the morning goes on. So stay with us. We'll see you at the top. Very beautiful up here. Some of the fog is starting to burn off. There's the remnants of an old tower or something up here. I wonder what that was. Somebody left a glove here. Okay, we'll take a walk down to AT here. You can see the white blazes going down the top of the mountain. We'll go down there a little bit and explore. Let's go to the highest point here on the right. Looks like the fog's starting to clear up. Very beautiful here. I'm on the south side right now and the fog's starting to burn off. Very quiet back in here. Another very relaxing area. Start at the right here, sweep all the way around. Still lots of graffiti up here. Hopefully none of that gets into the frame. Birds are starting to sing. Sounds of spring. Today it's supposed to hit 70 degrees. Peeing all the way around. Breathtaking. Very beautiful. Another amazing spot. Let's go up a little bit higher and we'll pan around with the GoPro. Start at the right here, sweep all the way around. Still lots of graffiti up here. Hopefully none of that gets into the frame. Birds are starting to sing. Sounds of spring. Now we're on the north lookout, and it's definitely very windy here. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise in the back. A lot of that fog is still hanging low in the valley. The south side is starting to burn off. These rocks are very slippery. I have some mourning doves singing to me over on the left. They're up in the trees. Here's snow geese in the back. In the background. Hopefully the GoPro can pick that up too. Very relaxing here. Fluffy white clouds drifting by on a distant mountaintop. Drifting by ever so slowly. Surrounded by Mother Nature. The woods are asleep right now. Very soon they'll be coming alive. It's so beautiful here. I can hear whistling wings in the background of the doves. Very relaxing. Sit back and enjoy the view from a distant mountaintop. Definitely a very rocky area in here. You see all the big boulder piles. The Appalachian Trail skirts that boulder pile. It goes down around the side here and over to the Bake Oven Knob overlook. We're going to climb one more rock pile and we'll check out one more overview. It's nice and quiet down here. There's very little graffiti. I moved down about 200 or 300 yards more to get away from the people. We do have some road noise in the back, but I'm definitely away from the crowd that was following me. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to work our way over. Some snow geese. Hopefully you can see them. Let's move over here a little bit. Very large flock of snow geese drifting by, heading north. There they go. A couple thousand snow geese flying in a perfect V. Very noisy birds. Move over here a little bit. Catch them going by the rest of the way. It's about the fourth flock that went by. Peeling some layers off here. It's definitely getting warm. I already peeled the 2 layers I had off from this morning. Moved down the ridge a few hundred yards, and I definitely have a better view here. Most of the fog is gone. Some is still hanging on. There's the notch in the mountain where the clouds are going through this morning. Okay, that's it for our hike today. Thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost. As always, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Comments are always awesome, and thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost. We'll see you on the next video.